Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back once again. It is a Jack Frost morning here in Aotearoa, New Zealand, in Rotorua. How we doing? Kia ora, kia ora, kia ora, kia ora. Sorry I took long. I was watching grandparent videos, you know, when grandparents become grandparents for the first time, and I got a bit clucky. How we doing? Good morning, good morning. Got my muesli bar here. Got me muesli bar here, so I'm gonna have a muesli bar to start my day and a detox tea to make me shit like a champion at lunchtime. But other than that, good morning. So, bro. Cool. Thank you very much for the resub for 30 months, my boy. We are doing well, my boy. We are doing well. A bit coldy at the moment. She's a bit Jack Frosty this morning. But we are giggity good. Just everyone that showed up to the gaming stream last night too. It felt good playing some Destiny. Iron Banner's out, so I'll be playing that for a little bit. Gotta go hard on the Iron Banana chat room. Can't stick around, just want to be proud of you all, and you're doing great. Great shooting, great team. Cheer out, Ashi. You have a good day too, my brother. Oh man, it is a cold day today too, I'll tell you that much. She is mucka chilly today. Brox, you got a family of your own? Yeah. I am a girl dad of 2. So, because normally when, you know, these guys, because I'm a girl dad, I've got 2 daughters. I have my nails done sometimes. And I often get confronted by other guys, like, well, why do you have your like, nails done? Are you like you know, bad with this, bad with that? And I just walk straight up to them and I look them straight in the eye and I say, I'm a girl dad. What are you gonna do? Yeah, I usually say, I go right up to their face and I go, I'm a girl dad. What are you gonna do about it? And bro, the dick pack they smoke after that, no words. I love doing that. When people try and, you know, be a smart ass for having my nails done because I'm a girl dad, you know, I say that and I revel in. Are you related to Jordan Mailata? I wish I was. I love Jordan Mailata. He's one of my favourite players. And I'm not even Australian. Morning, by the way, TikTok. Get your hair done by a girl too? Yeah, but they're pretty shit at it at the moment, so. But I normally plait their hair and all that. But when they get good at plaiting, then I'll let them plait my hair. Thank you, Charlie. Good morning, TikTok. Good morning, YouTube. And good morning, Twitch. Hope you're all doing well today. What's the temperature there? Cold enough to make your nipples hard. I don't exactly know. Would you be Oh, really? You'll have to go through my manager. I think my emails and on my manager's email is in my about, but I know it's on my Twitter too. Chilly out there today. Yeah, I'm staying. It is, my bro. Kia ora, was waffle. Hey, Brox in chat from. How are you today? I'm good, my bro. I'm good. I have no idea what the temperature is, and I'm too lazy to Google it. Oh, it's 3 degrees. Oh, is it? True, so this morning it would have been, what, like -1, -1? Sorry. Yo, what's up, right? It was 0. Oh. What's your other hobbies? Music? Music. I wouldn't say one of my hobbies is spending time with kids. That's a guaranteed in my life. Music, games, gym, and just going outside. Favorite artists? I've been listening to Josh Tal Coffee. I mean, I listen to Mac Corby and all of them too. Alright. So, we're gonna get back into it today. Yeah. This is all we're up to today. We're gonna be doing the bottom head. Te Maoraro. There you go. Thank you very much to Seinfeld and Joya for the Optimus Prime. Yeah, so that's all we're up to today. So let's smash this out today. I want this to be the last day on this head. Yeah, I want it to be the last day. Alright. But I hope everyone is having a wonderful morning, no matter where you are in the world, a wonderful night, a wonderful midday, a wonderful whatever time it may be. Just know that, you keep yourself safe, make sure you eat something, don't be weird and not eat something. Even if it's like groceries. Sorry, I just heard that song this morning and it's been stuck in my head. I am looking forward to seeing Teddy Swims this weekend. So I'm just setting up, so bear with me guys, bear with me. TikTok over here. There we go. How cold is it in Auckland right now? Does anyone know? This is what we're up to right now. We are going to be doing this. So, on today's agenda, what we want to be doing is cleaning it. So, we want to finish molding, cleaning, all of that, and go to from there. My hands are pretty numb, so I'm not sure how we're gonna go, but we're gonna do it anyway. Look and do it. Alright, let me just get my chisels and stuff ready. But what's everyone been up to? Anything new? Playing anything new? Who's tried First Descendants? And why are you only playing the bunny girl? I don't blame you, to be honest. Where's the big mallet? Oh, there it is. Yeah, I don't blame you for wanting to, you know, main the bunny girl. Alright, here we go. So the first thing I'm doing right now is just getting a solid wall on this mouth here, so cutting inside the mouth. I should say, well, before we even start, so those that don't know what this is a manaya. Takes the characteristics of a bird. And this is for a joint birthday, hence the reason why it has two heads. Che, morning brother Sturdy, how are you? Getting back into mountain biking. Oh nice, yeah, there's quite a few mountain biking tracks here in Rotorua as well. I think that's why you know, Crankworks is here all the time. I'd normally go to them just to, you know, hang out with Red Bull if they needed help, since I've got a good relationship with Red Bull. What accent is that? This is amazing. I'm from New Zealand, if that helps, brother. Sub Gloria. I really wish I was in no pixel today, because it's order 66 today. And that sounds like a lot of fun. But everyone knows me as the wood carver, so we do wood carving first. Oh, snotty nose, chat, not the one. Apologies to TikTok as well. I know I was supposed to do I was intending to do a live last night, because something I noticed in yesterday's TikTok was a lot of people like asking for help. And I thought like just having a genuine conversation in a TikTok live would be nice. Yo, what's up? The pizza for the Optimus Prime. Thank you very much, my bro. My stream keeps freezing. Maybe try to refresh it, maybe? My stream is freezing. What? Oh, you know why? Because I probably forgot to plug the Ethernet cord in. Mistakes were made. That'll help, eh? Maybe plugging the Ethernet cord in for a better connection might help. I need to move to NZ low-key. I'll be honest, brother, I wouldn't if I was you, because this country is turning to shit. Yeah, I honestly wouldn't move here if I was you. Wait, is my TikTok live freezing too? I can't tell. It's all good now. Yeah, I forgot to plug the internet cord in. was like, wow, why am I starting so fast? I feel like I'm missing something. Then looked at the net connection and then looked at the setup for the blue cord, and yeah, no blue cord. That's an absolute amateur. Thank you very much for the aroha on TikTok, guys. So I want this to be like the last day on this section of the carving. No more, and then move on. Hey, much love there, Alex. It's getting worse, yeah. NZ's getting worse and worse in general. Even got politicians Snapchatting the schoolgirls. Weird chimp. Doesn't help as the politician that's got a smile like the frickin' Joker. Minimum solar, yeah, bro. It's pretty expensive right now, eh? Like traveling in general. That's probably why I'm not gonna go to San Diego. For TwitchCon, as much as I want to, but you know, I wanna. That's why me and my partner decided. My wife. Whoa. Me and my wife decided we'll have our honeymoon here. There's a place we haven't been to, there's a place we've wanted to go to, so yeah, we're gonna go to Queenstown. I'm missing a pencil. Love his shoes, never stop doing what you're doing. I will do my best, brother. How is life, Brox? Good. Other than it being very cold. But yeah, life's all good. Do you go to the gym by any chance? Yeah. Gotta apologise sometimes because I don't really like talking while I'm at the gym. I guess it's, you know, because I don't really have much time in the day to go to the gym for ideally more than 2 hours. So I kind of just do what I can. I'm in Florida. Oh, yeah. Yeah, so, I'll put some more. Yeah, go ahead. That's what Discord's for, just for sharing your art and everything. Yo, what's up, what's up, Jamie? Thank you very much for the aroha. Carving's looking good. Hey, appreciate you, my brother. Well, we've lost another pencil, so that's a good start. I don't know what I did with it, chat. If you must know a common occurrence that happens here quite a lot, I lose all my pencils there. All the damn time. What's your favourite lift? I don't know. Like, I haven't done powerlifting in a while. I always enjoyed deadlifts. Squat. What's that other one? The log lift? The one the strong men do? I like that one. I used to like that one, I should say. I went through my powerlifting phase, and then after all, hey, oh my days. Thank you very, very much, Reversal, for the raid. Hope you've been well, my brother. Nice to see you. Thank you very much, good sir. How are you doing? My hands are numb, but all in all is well. All is well. Just been very busy parenting, trying to stream at the same time. But yeah, all is good. Hope everything is good with you too, my brother. Oh, how am I gonna do this? One moment. Welcome everyone through from Reversal Stream. Kia ora. Kia ora means hello in my native tongue. And welcome to the stream. My name is Brox. I'm a traditional Maori wood carver. I carve in socks and crocs. But a little thing about me, I've been doing this art form that's been part of my culture since I was 12 years old. I'm 32 now, turning 33 in a couple months, and this is my big love and passion that I have for my culture. So we didn't have a written form of language. The only methods we had was this, and through song and dance, which is the haka, the Maori posture ball dance. But we have many other forms of song as well, other than the aggressive side. Yeah, and welcome. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. All is well, thank you. Hey, love to see it, my bro. Thank you, Lip and Hams on TikTok as well. Yeah, so what the plan is today, so we're doing a bit of cleanup today. I'll be honest, I think the mouth is fine. And the head, maybe just a little bit more work on the top of the head there, but everything in between needs to be touched up, and then eventually we start cleaning up the body. Get some rest, my guy. Enjoy the stream. Much love. I appreciate you, Reversal. Much love, brother. And thank you very much for the raid once again, sir. Have you ever carved pounamu? Yes I have. Back when I was a student, but this is where my heart really is, within Whakairo. It's it always has been, it always will be. And in light of recent events, it's you know, a big responsibility's been you know, passed down to me. The responsibility being, you know, carrying on my uncle's legacy. As most who turn up here know, my uncle passed away a few months and a bit ago now, and I'm actually finishing off his commissions right now. So these are his. So some you can say, like, his will's kind of, you know, been passed down to me in terms of Whakairo, me and the others that he taught. So it's kind of up to us to, you know, honour his legacy. And that's something I plan to do for the rest of my life. Is carving something that school, college encouraged? Not really. Nah, it wasn't really. Not necessarily, my bro. Sad but understandable at the same time, you know. Mainstream schools are different to kura kaupapa. So a kura kaupapa is like a Maori educational standard kind of school. And I went to one of those. I never went to mainstream school till I was 7. And that was a big culture shock for me too, because I couldn't talk English properly. But I'll be honest, it definitely was beneficial for me in the long run, going to is it an area school? Is what you would call it? See, I never really spoke that much English back in my childhood. I mean, I knew how to, I knew a few words, but majority of the time was, talking Maori. But yeah, different story these days, Like from the day I was born, my grandmother, my grandfather, my mum, they only ever spoke Maori to me. And that was definitely something I'm very grateful for, without a doubt. What's your native language? Te reo Māori. So we are the indigenous people of Aotearoa, aka New Zealand. Gotta add that in there so the Kiwis don't get mad. JK. Ooh, she's a cold morning. I need to tighten up my hoodie because I can feel it on the back of my neck. Sorry for your loss. It's all good, Cetology. Yeah, it was a shock at first when we found out that my uncle passed away. A big shock. He was, he was a healthy individual, but at the same time, no one ever really knows when those types of things are going to happen. So, in a sense, like I've always said, that's why I've got like closure in my Twitch stream title. This is kind of like my closure for my uncle before, we move on with life. Hope you have a great day. You have a great day too, brother. Thank you very much for the aroha on TikTok, guys. It's so important to keep your heritage and language and passing down for the next generation. That is very true. That is very true. And yeah, that's been one of the intentions of streaming too. Just to show, rangatahi Māori, the younger generation of Māori, there's things out there that our ancestors have left behind for us. But not only is my stream for like Māori youth, just anyone in general that, might get inspired to do something they're very passionate about in life. That's all I've ever really wanted to be, is just a good example. Has your daughter started golf yet? Yeah, we go golfing every weekend. Her auntie took her to mini putt and she thought that was boring as fuck. She's like, no, I want to go out and play a proper game. It's like, that's my girl. Yeah, she's loving it, bro. Man, this smile makes my morning so good. As long as you're smiling, man, that's the main thing. Yeah, she even does like the pose and everything, you know, when put the leg up with the swing. Yo, what up, brother Dooskies? What's up, my bro? Good morning there, Jizzy, over on YouTube. And Endless, kia ora, kia ora. Hope you have a great day, man. Thank you, my brother. Hope you have a great day, too. Hey, did you guys see that, your age guy fuck his eye up while cutting wood in the middle of the night? I don't really watch that your age guy at all, but I hope he's alright. But at the same time, it's kind of a dumb idea cutting wood at night while the timber is almost at neck level. When you're cutting wood, it has to be really low, so, you know. Oh yeah, man, when I saw your age, potentially fuck his eye up, I felt that one. I really felt that when he did that. It was, yeah, it was pretty crazy, man. You should not be cutting wood that high. Because shit like that does happen. Hey, what's up, James? Hear me. What's up, the hear me? Ooh, that breeze. Yo, what up, brother Mahalo? Sup, my brother? How are you? Hope you're well, my bro. Thank you, Distani, for the roses. Dinner Queen, thank you for the aroha on TikTok too. Sorry, I'm pretty shit at acknowledging it while I'm cutting. They're good, my bro. They're good. My big girl's on holiday. My baby's last day at school, and they're off with their grandparents. And me and my wife are off to watch Teddy Swims this weekend. We get to meet him, which is pretty buzzy. Morning from Tauranga, morena ki a koe. How did you get started in carpentry? So, this isn't normal everyday type of wood carving. It's it's a cultural thing. It's like all generational knowledge that I'm doing right in front of you. It's been a part of my culture, since our ancestors discovered Whakairo, which is from the sea. Yep, the Maori god of wood carving is also the god of the sea. So you even take a look at the sea today. What is it doing? Carving away at the land as well, if you want to look at it that way. But in a sense, this has been a part of our culture for generations. It was a form of storytelling and just passing down knowledge as well. Alright. They're from Australia. Oh, morning will be early for you, eh? Ahitreiria. Man, I can't wait to jump back on Iron Banner tonight. Iron Banner. What you're making? We are carving something called a manaya. This is for a birthday. Well, a joint birthday, I should say. Okay, let's not use that one. I gotta touch that one up. I was supposed to watch that, what's that bloody program, that movie? Freddy Fazbear thing last night. But I fell asleep. What the hell are they called? Those robots? Do you ever work with stone or marble? I've worked with some stone, stone that is from my country, Grey-Waki river stone, also known as Onewa in my language, and Pounamu, which is the nephrite jade you can only ever find in the rivers of Te Waipounamu, or down south. But obviously, you know, these greenstone in shops in the north and whatnot. I'd be keen to do that, but I think you need to, you know, get permission from iwi down there in order to go and look for Pounamu while we're down there, but you know. I'm looking forward to my honeymoon, just a time to relax and unwind. Animatronics, that's what they're called, those bloody things. Hi bro, lives in you, keep up the good work. Oh cheer brother, diamond. Sorry bro, can you use any wood you find in the woods? So normally Like, because it's illegal to, you know, cut down trees in our country. Natives are there, but for some reason, you know, the kids still get away with it. Normally, where I source my timber from, there's a wood recycling centre here that I go to, and they have a lot of native in there. And what's the W about their place? They don't understand the value of the native timber, so it's some would say it's an easy steal. So I like going there. Or I just, you know, there's a wood turner in the town as well. I normally buy timber off him. Or go home and see if there's any trees that are falling on the side of the road and cut them up. Majority of the time. So what I'm doing now is just doing the brow. Sorry if that's my phone. I should really. It'll be like Twitch notification saying so and so is live. My father was gifted some pounamu and made some nice pieces from it. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah, I might try and make me a tiki if I'm ever given some. Getting more depth on this brow now. That's what we want, so we get more emphasis on the eye here. So by cutting down just at the levels here. Morning there, brother Jim. Pehanakui, what did you make? Why did you make the switch? I'm dual streaming, Jizzy. I'm streaming on Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok right now. Tiki Toki. Nami for the Aroha on TikTok as well. You're a good fella. Oh, I'm alright. I'm alright. One thing I'm not looking forward to when it comes to titty swims though is clothes shopping. I hate clothes shopping, man. I always have. It's annoying. Bro, I hate clothes shopping, bro. How long have you been working on this? When did we start this? Like last week, eh? Last week? We haven't really been on it that long. Oh yeah, I've got parent-teacher interviews today too, Chad. I forgot all about that. I'm not gonna lie, I get nervous for those, and I don't even go to school anymore. All that goes through my head is like, oh, please don't be naughty. Don't be one of those naughty kids. But a majority of the time, you know, my kids ain't the naughty ones. If they are, I just give them the look. The father stare. The father shutting down each head. No, parents, you know. I Twitch mod with a wife. Huh? My wife cares what I wear. Oh, my wife hates me wearing this jacket, my grandfather's jacket, because I've had it since 1995. It's obviously, you know, got a bit of wear and tear. She goes, "Hey, leave your homeless jacket at home." I'm like, shut up, man, it keeps me warm. So you're not wearing that to Queenstown? I was like, I know, I'm not dumb. Even in the summer, sometimes I'll just walk into the shop with no shoes on, just in my feet. And you're like, oh, homeless. I'm like, shut up, man, I'm all good. I don't care what people think. So yeah, if you see me out in public and I'm walking around on my feet, yeah, it's just because I probably couldn't find my Crocs. That's usually the case. If I'm in feet, it's because I can't find me Crocs. And I'm usually just meh. So. Alright. How we doing, guys? Check up on everyone. Hope everyone's enjoying the stream today. Hi, Box. Just checking in once in a while. Hope you're doing good, internet real. Kind you, peace and love. Thank you, Chimera. Kia ora, brother. Thank you, Anthony and Archie as well. What's an uri? Uri is a revolutionary piece of winter clothing. It is basically a hoodie, but very much insulated and very long. I did a uri sponsorship like ages ago, and I've still got it. It's oh, I like it. I sleep in my hoodie sometimes when my kids ain't hogging it. Just go to their website and it'll show you what a hoodie is. They're pretty nice, especially for winter. Triplock orange squash. What in the hell are you smoking? Is this some like Ventilord meme? Yo, Fenrir, thank you very much. It's solar powered, and Anthony as well. Someone needing like advice in the TikTok chat. Thank you, solar powered. Oh man, this guy's a vibe. No, you're a vibe. You are, good sir. Well, I tell you right now, boy, you be that goddamn vibe that everyone needs sometimes. Well, I tell you. Oh, jet planes. What was that? Thank you for the jet planes. Man, why does TikTok have all the cool animations, bro? I swear. Okay, last bit on this brow. Play Dota. No, I don't want to, you know, add extra salt in my life. Quake and crack. I miss playing Earthshaker though. And all the Spirit Brothers, I played all of those characters. But I just enjoyed being cheeky and deleting everyone on Earthshaker. The other thing in my wardrobe I love wearing is a leather trench coat. If I haven't worn a trench coat in years. Alright, I think the brow is good in set, or inside the brow here. I've been stunned by a few Kiwi characters, and yeah, what was it? Far Cry was one of them. Far Cry. Oh shit. It's in the truck. Are you looking for the... Oh. Far Cry, where else? Mataku from that weird cyberpunk game, the battle royale looking one. Mataku was another one. Was it Makutu? I can't remember. He rolls into a ball anyway. Who else? Where else have I seen Maori characters? Can't remember. Oh yeah, Auntie Maggie. Jeez, I should have known that one because I carved the Mad Maggie piece for Apex slacking. Where else from Qatar? Oh, killed her. Solve the multiverse, the character Haka. Oh, I've never seen that one. Hi, Haka, bro, looking dope. Hey, appreciate you, my brother. True. I know of the Maori Marvel hero. The dumbest name in ever. It's like dumb as fuck. He's got the dumbest name in the Marvel verse, I reckon. Hey, what's up, Jiggy? Hey, girl. Back to work. All good, brother. Do your thing. G'day, mate. Hello, brother. How are you? Okay, yeah, so I really want to get this face done today. Alright. Do you already eat? What? Did I? Thank you, Jonah. Specific wood you use for carving? Ideally majority of the time, like, if it's native timber, then I'm happy. But at the same time, you know, whatever's presented at the time, that's fine too. But yeah, definitely native is ideal. Tōtara, Cody. But if it's more like doing weapons and whatnot, you obviously want a harder timber. Who signed off on their name? He's got a fucking stupid name, eh? So there's a Maori Marvel hero, guys, if you don't know this already. He's got the dumbest name ever. His name's Kiwi Black. It is the dumbest fucking name I've ever heard. But the guy that created him, he actually came to the country. And funny thing is, the character itself is inspired by the gangs of this country. It's so bad, bro. It's absolute shit, bro. I'm not even that. I would say, you know, if we were to put it on a chart, shit would be at the bottom and Kiwi Black, the name, would be under that. It's dumb as fuck. Just imagine him in the movie, "Greetings, citizens, I am Kiwi Black," and they're like, huh? What'd you say? If I was in the crowd and I heard that, I would say, that's the dumbest name I've ever heard in my life. Greetings, citizens. 'Tis I. They need to run their back, bro. Hey, morning, Sari. How are you? Morena. Namahi, everybody. Have you heard of Kiwi? My wife heard. Yeah. Where I'm from, you hear them all the time. It's funny, everyone like thinks, oh, they must sound so cute, and we're like, they've never heard a Kiwi before. Bro, they sound like a death whistle. Just straight walk around. You know what's even worse? When you're hunting at night and you hear a Kiwi do that and like, oh, bro. I remember hearing that at night for the first time when I was hunting with my grandfather, and he chuckled. You don't even know what that is, eh, boys? Like, am I supposed to at 8 years old? He's like, that's a Kiwi, boy. How do you keep your chisel sharp? I use a sharpening stone or a sharpening wheel. Oh. Okay. Oh yeah. Where are you from? I'm from a place called Aotearoa. Colonised name, New Zealand. Okay, my hands are still pretty cold, eh? They're still pretty cold, Spurs. But I feel like majority of the stuff on this head is almost done. So that was my main goal today, just get all of this done. Sorry chaps, just got a bit of washing to get through today, so I'm trying to do it while streaming at the same time. if you are enjoying the stream though on either one of the platforms that are going right now, much appreciated if you haven't followed already. If you aren't following, much appreciated if you do. If not, thank you very much for enjoying the stream. And thank you to those that are sending gifts on TikTok as well. Appreciate the aroha. To the people that have subbed on Twitch, much appreciated too. What's up, big boy? Okay. Just gotta watch this green. Good. I'm trying to find out what to draw. Draw a donut. You play New Vegas yet, bro? No, I haven't. Nah. I have not played, I haven't actually played any Fallout at all lately. I've been on the, is that my daughter I think here? Nope. I've been stuck on the RP grind. My character's finally gotten back into crime. But all in all, I'm glad like I took my time getting back into it all. It felt good not like rushing anything. What's the glue you use to make filler again? Epoxy resin glue? That's what I normally use. Love your streams. Hey, thank you very much, Highway Man. Kia ora, brother. Okay, I need to clean this up a bit. We're on the right track anyway, guys. And then after this, we can look at start to mold the body. And then after we mold the body, all that's left to do really is to design it. I like your socks. Thanks, man. Hey, a kiwi. Thanks for the kiwi. Kia ora from Ireland. Kia ora, brother. Alright. Go. Where are we? Here. My hands are numb. They are very, very numb. Feel like dancing. Alright, there we go. How are we doing, guys? Are you enjoying the stream this morning? Bit makariri today? Yeah, my hands are like, I can't even feel them. Cannot feel the boogers. I was studying the different people groups of the Pacific Islands and I had no idea there was so many. Yeah, bro, yeah. That's because how great navigators they were. Yeah. Definitely, bro. The, like, that's what I always say, like, Polynesia in general, you know, is definitely, there's definitely a lot of us out there. But, you know, due to the islands being all spread out, it doesn't look that way, but yeah, definitely there, my bro. Alright. Just want to take this close to the line as I can that I set up on the side there. And then we should be good. Little bits. Hey everyone, hey, what's up, Berserk? How are you guys doing? YouTube, you're going like quiet, but you know, it's all good. Normally does though. Oh yeah. Yep. Hey, what's up, Yeety? Kia ora, brother. How are you, Yeety? Hold up. Funny other reason I can Becky gun, is also gun city of city. Oh, hello. No good. Always so calming and peaceful. Hey, as long as you know, few people find some sort of solace here. Sorry, I got no music for you though, TikTok. Just enjoying the new. Oh man, I've yet to start, but I think I have to finish Endwalker. I gotta finish Endwalker before I can even think about playing that one. War Within suit. Yeah, what's the release date for War Within? I had the beta, but I didn't want to play it. Just to keep it all a surprise. I hope with War Within coming out, that this will be a huge L for us as a player. I feel like, you know, with WoW, your character, or you know, the main character, there's too many W's, eh? Yo, thank you very much, Sin and Mikey. Yeah, like I'm listening to a woodpecker. Oh, August 26th. Oh, yeah. Hi from Arizona. Kia ora. Arizona. It'll be hot. It's hot as there, eh? That's a hot place, right? Really, all that seems to be done is in here. And here, a little bit over there. But most of it's done with the face. Well, I'm glad we got that. It's I'm trying to like set myself goals to do on stream every day, like milestones that I want to get to. I'm trying to do that now, just so you know. It promotes more. I don't even know how to say it. Alright. Yeah, I don't know how to say it properly. Sorry. Oh, yuck. I need to check out First Descendants as well. Yeah, I've been hearing a lot about First Descendants as well, especially the bunny girl. Are those shoes wood carving regulation? In my streams, yes they are. Even better. You know, there you go. Tickle your fancy there and put them in 4-wheel drive. There we go. It's just like Warframe? Oh yeah. I thought it was like a PvP shooter or something. There we go. 4-wheel drive now. We're in deep. Baby, all I ask is you consider me. Consider me. Won't you consider me? And I can't sing her like Alan Stone. Thank you for the heart, Chicago. Oh, is that Chinji? Sorry, I thought they said Chicago. My bad, yeah. Alright, what we have to do now, leaving the faces is, but when it comes to the designing phase, we're going to be beveling the eye, cutting the nose out, and beveling the top of this, putting high highs in here. So majority of the stuff that's going to be designed on this whole carving is this head and the one down that end, and I think majority of the timber that's going to get moved is within the body. So what we have to do now is clean up this. Are you gonna play Once Human? What's that game, Jiggy? I was still looking at that game, Punk Frag or something like that. Hey, brother Luke, thank you very much for the 37 months as an Optimus Prime, good sir. How are you? Diver. Oh, and thanks for the raid too, brother. Thank you very much, sir. That is our certified diver in the chat there, guys. How's it going? Much appreciated, my brother. I hope you're well. Alright. Let's sort this body out up the top there. And we'll look at it once again. Keep in mind that this is the bottom of the carving, okay? Hence the reason why the body on the end of this carving is a bit of a thick load compared to the top. Alright. Down. Oh yeah. Jeez. So there, we're cutting all of this off. Or we're smoothing it out, I should say. Holy cow. Yo, Sin, thank you for the hearts, bro. Hello from Texas, hey. Cause all my exes live in Texas. That's why I hang my hat in Tennessee. Has been fun, use underwater jack. Holy shit, does that like attract? Like when you're using a jackhammer in the water, does it like attract any of the like sea life at all? It's like a survival shooter. Oh yeah, yeah. Are you sliding? I'll jam it with you so I can use you as my personal loot carrier, and when you die I take it all. And then I'll cut that part out of the VOD and just pretend that I clapped a lot of people, and but really. Bro, a jackhammer under the water is crazy. That's loud, and sends shockwaves through the water. You can feel fish hate it. Oh, yeah, yeah. True. It's pretty solid. You're the best. Hey, we all are. Oh, Chad, I was watching my little cousin play card again yesterday, and she clapped some more mouthy guys, and I told her to tell them to make her a sandwich like I did the other day, and they lost it, man. Oh, it was funny. So I told her, you tell them to get in the kitchen and make you a sandwich, girl. She said it, and they were like, don't you fucking tell me what to do. Bottom of the scoreboard. Oh, bro, it was funny, man. It was funny, bro. And she's only like 16. Like, this is content, Bubba. Bro, you clapping, you know, toxic people in court is funny. Like, yeah, I'll do it someday. She wants to get into you know, content creation. So do it if you have fun. If it's Call of Duty you want to play. New South Wales or Queensland? Jonathan Thurston is my favourite player, so I'll probably go Queensland. I remember when we 5 shit talkers with just the knife. Yeah, bro. Typing shit talkers in any game with voice comms is bro. It's bliss, bro. Like when I was playing
I need you to oil this man right now.
Holy shit. Nickel, thank you very much for the 5 bomb on Twitch, brother. Appreciate the other good sir. I think yeah, we were playing I can't remember what the game was, but you know when you finish the game it shows like score and who won and all that. There were these guys mouthing off at me like, yeah, you should go outside and stick to wood carving. And I didn't say anything. I was like, nah, I did say, nah, you're all good. And we ended up rolling through the opposing team, and then they just started going off. I was like, oh, it's alright, boys. All I see is victory on my screen. And they went off, bro. It's like far out. These comms games are the most toxic thing ever, man. I had to get one in there because, you know, I'm cheeky. I'm cheeky when I want to be. What's your favorite artwork from the ones you've did? Pretty much all of them, brother. What are you making right now? So we are carving something called a manaya, brother. A manaya is a guardian in their culture, so they can be portrayed in many different ways. This particular piece has two manaya heads on it, mainly for a joint birthday, so it's pretty much 2 birthdays on the one day. And so that's what the 2 manayas represent. Not so much the 2 individuals, just 2 manayas to celebrate 2 people, so they can both look over the both of them and look after them. You saw one of the internet's good ones. Appreciate that, brother. Like I always say with my stream, man, it's just a cheeky corner of the internet where everyone can chill out. Anyone from different walks in life can. Love your content, man. Thank you, brother. I appreciate that, my bro. Yeah, she's been a bit of a quiet day today, but it's all good. You know, you have those types of days on Twitch. I'd be inside too if I got the chance, but there's a reason why I don't game on my channel anymore, and it's let's just say the numbers climbing again is evidence in itself that wood carving is it. Been dealing with a boxing fracture all day. Oh, rest up, my bro. No, I hope you have a speedy recovery, brother, and hopefully, you know, this helps in your healing process. I know it's just like watching, but if you want to have a good yarn, brother, feel free to just join in on any of the streams, eh? All good, brother, all good. Oh, Oh, my phone just turned off. Oh, my phone's going flat. TikTok. Oh. My bad. I forgot to charge my phone. Sorry guys. I'm gonna have to finish like the TikTok stream. I was wondering why I couldn't see the chat. Alright. Well, hang on, Twitch and YouTube. Well, guys, I do apologize. I have to finish the TikTok stream because I forgot to charge it. I forgot to charge my phone. But I'll try and get that other TikTok stream in, the one that I promised where we can have a genuine talk. Because yesterday we had a lot of people that weren't doing well mentally, and I feel like a good, having a good yarn type of live would be good. Not so much, just because I think I can help, and just someone that, can care, I guess. I think we don't do that enough as streamers, help out those that watch us long hours. Well, I try and do my best to, try and help guide people when sometimes I don't even know how to guide myself. But yeah, for now, TikTok, I'll have to love and leave these. I will try and pump up a stream tonight so we can have a genuine conversation to those that just need to have a genuine conversation. So for now, I'll see you later. Much love. Appreciate all the love and support today. And I will see you all tomorrow, okay? Bye. I heard that. Sorry, chat, I forgot to charge my phone. I feel bad. Thank you very much, Pig, for the raid of 3. And my phone just turned off. Okay, let me put it on the charger. Alrighty, carrying on. Thank you very much for the raid, brother. And appreciate the gifteds on Twitch as well. How we doing, guys? How we doing? I know streaming on 3 different platforms can be a bit much because I'm missing conversations here and there. Soothes the soul, but enrages my wife. Why is that? I don't know her. You have volcanoes? Yeah, I live in one. I literally live in one. I'm wondering if I should just route already. Oh, like planer it. I think I will, just to save time. I wasn't using the planer because I was live on TikTok. Peppy, come as you are, We just your heart, and I'll take you in. All right. I'll be with you shortly. I'm just gonna mute up and plane all this timber off. There we go. All right. Ooh. I just got a plane there, brother. Sorry. What's up, Chris? What's up, Mac? What happened to your family, bro? What do you mean? Hey, you from my island? Kia ora. With Auntie. Oh, what's up, Doug? Too, bro. Bro, you should see people that are still reacting to their video. It shows how out of touch they are with public, eh? Good morning from France, kia ora. How are we in France? Oui, oui. That's right, it's the Olympics soon, eh? It's going to be a lot of late night watching again. I always enjoy watching the Olympics, I ain't gonna lie. I'm not too fond of some of these new sports they're adding in. I think they're kind of dumb. To be honest. Depends what you're trying to do with your door. Plain it. Alright. Alrighty, there we go. Before I do that though, let's set a depth. No deeper than that. Oh, shit. Hey, what's up, Perk? Long time no see, brother. Hope you've been well, my bro. Hope you've been well. Oh, shit. Hold on, shit. Let's get this done, eh? No more fucking around. It's a name I have not seen in a while. The grain looks beautiful. Yeah, it normally does on Rimu. Miss you so much, bro. Yeah, bro, hard. I always see you tweet out now and again, so it's good to see you doing well too, brother. Saber, it's SUBS, brother. Sure, no, it's good to see you, brother. Good to see you. Okay. Ooh. How are we gonna do this? Here? Good to hear you've been keeping well, brother. Shit, am I moving the bloody... What you been doing lately though, brother? Just been life vibes? So what we're doing right now is time to start molding the body. So what we're gonna do here, swap over and do the same side. We'll do the inside later. So I'm just taking off big chunks for now. And then after that, we'll swap to a smaller one. This is just to get the majority of it off. So you know what you're making? We are doing a manaya. We're currently molding the body. We're getting it started to be molded. But essentially this is for a birthday. 2 birthdays, I should say. What is that? Very good. Yeah, so I'm just taking off majority of the timber for now. And once we do that, I'll swap to a smaller round and then we'll refine that a bit more. With these gaps here, we won't take these out till like the very end of the whole carving. Ooh, it's yuck over there. Alright. After this I have to go to the laundromat. Hold on, chat. Alrighty. Which wood do you prefer? I love to work with. To be honest, whatever's free. Free timber cuts just as good, my bro. Feel like I know the song that is playing, Dirty Martini. I have no idea, it's just a lo-fi beat. I think I'm done listening to lo-fi, to be honest. I'm gonna start playing some music soonish. Hold on, Chip. Check my kids' clothes. Well, hopefully those dry on time, otherwise I'm in trouble. Oh, not Brooks. I was like, what's that shout out? I was like, I forgot this dude. Wasn't too sure who it was. So that shout out there is my gaming channel, Chip. Go for a walk, what bird do you think is your day going? Yeah, not too bad, but not too bad. We're on the morning vibes on this now. Morning vibes. Yeah, no, smooth and that. Don't forget to follow us. You shouldn't. Hey, I appreciate that. Hey, who's that emote, Jiggy? That Miskiff? Oh, it's yours. Hey! Alright, let's get that music out of here, bro. Now we are turning to the molding side of this goddamn cabin. I'm glad we're making pretty fast progress on it though, which is the main thing. That's the main progress that I'm glad we're getting. I'm not gonna lie.
Man was legit at the start, but back in the ends, I'm a real OG. And I was broke for a while, had to sell some fish, I was out at sea. Then I ran into the G's, now I'm making money moves properly. Yo, don't know about me, I'm keeping it real. Golden boy in the building, educate all of them and don't drill. I was on stage and I had that still. My team's got serious members, and they shoot, they aim, they kill. On stage and I cash out deals, and the man put out the macro still. And I ride with a ting, my waist that's casual. If two men hop out the bush, one bullet's gonna make them feel like collateral. In the back of the 125, I'm a jack your caps, I'm a real shoe vandal. And if you're in need for a ride, then your broadcast better be calling up Abdul. And if I'm tapping this was out at sea. Then I ran into the G's now making money moves properly.
Don't know about me, I'm keeping it real. Golden boy in the building, educate all these men don't do it.
I was on stage and I had that still. My team's got serious members and they shoot, they aim to kill. On stage trying to cash out deals and the gem man whipped out the Mac on spill. What's that? It's the chart. If we pull up on you and your friend and I'm back in the match, make it say or large.
If I slap this stamp at your head, then that's conclusion. Yours truly, man wanna shoot out like a western cowboy. Wicked is too unruly.
The line man up like incense.
Took a man's script 'cause they were of interest.
They talk all day about green pie bidders to shake their tunes, they've been dead.
And your boy already started out fishing. Now stankies really gone missing. Takes try to push your ammunition. No face, no case, the fucking mission. Don't know about me, I'm Tommy T. Man was the jack at the start, but back in the end, I'm a real OG. And I was broke for a while, had to sell some fish, I was out at sea. Then I ran into the G's, now making money moves properly.
They know about me, I'm keeping it real. Golden boy in the building, educate all of them man on drill. I was on stage and I had that still. My team's got serious members and they shoot, they aim to kill. On stage trying to cash out deals and the gem man whipped out the Mac on spill.
Oh, I hope I don't get copyrighted for my YouTube VOD. I didn't think about that. Whoops. Just because it's Zerka, you know? Big streamer, big content creator. Big man.
Shut my boy Randy. I do your control like candy. So the brains to my command. For the rubbish driving you spin bad.
Nah, Mario, nah. Bruv, just let me do my shoot.
Whatever, man, whatever. You wanna get clever? You know what I'm saying?
I'm sorry. Listen.
Right.
Vinny, tell him, man.
Watch your fucking mouth.
Tell that bitch that I'm Changa. 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 Know what it is when you see me. Chain on my neck says CG. You know what it is when you see me. Chain on my neck says CG. You know guys got whips on whips. G-Wagon or pennies like 6x6. If I'm in the booth in the feds when a bit phone hutch, I need to jump out of this bitch. Evo when a ramp fucking interceptor. Mr. K's got a tank. Curtis a demon, don't make him pull rank. Francis on the flank, somebody's getting spanked. Peak for your crew with flippies involved. Mario as well, let's go. Randy and Ronnie got the cops in the road. Say here's CG and they respond like a ball. President P, I'm Barack Obama. Gang had your boy feeling like his El Chapo. Feds saw me and tried to empty the ammo. Man down when they saw Chava and Taco. Tell that bitch that I'm Changa. Tell that bitch that I'm Changa. Tell that bitch that I'm Changa. Tell that bitch that I'm Changa.
Hey, keep spamming and be like, yeah. I need a dancing emote, eh?
Got the whole clique yawning. Big Anto, you know what he's about. We whipping and pushing when Nova's around. When you hear that sound, you better get down. That's Bobby Crack Brown. Might see you cheer come around a bit when it's business shit. Got Gary in the whip. You Chang crazy, the lounge got chicks.
Big T, do you think, baby, talk your shit?
Touch them plants, you're fucking with Wayne. We get on that roof, start letting it rain. 10 CG, all over a strain. Our rap Bo ain't forgetting that name. Alright, tell that bitch that I'm Changa. 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 Know what it is when you see me. Chain on my neck says CG. You know what it is when you see me. Chain on my neck says CG.
What up, baby?
The label's ours. CG buying up buildings and towers. Diamonds on tap, calories on flex. This ring on my finger got marble powers. We business made everywhere. Annexes on all beanies. Other shops can't manage.
Why?
Picture oh, leave a click comparison. Pick your bin and crush down my garage. Got AMGs and we got Bentleys. Extended family. You know street team won't buy a new whip then coming by these. Cause we got imports down at VOC. Money business minded. Really
Come
got
on.
dough. Got everybody doing up prime dodo. Protect yourself. Pre-order with swole. Switchblade on me. Up and then go. Tell that bitch that I'm Changa. 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 Know what it is when you see me. Chain on my neck says CG.
Would you like to see some of my creativity? Probably not on stream because that's self-promoting. No, can't play that. As much as I'd love to. Hey guys, anyone here? I'm gonna be as nice as I can, brother. What you're doing is self-promoting in my stream, and please understand that's one of the rules of my stream. You know, don't self-promote. English or Spanish, honey, that's an outdated joke. Doesn't work if I'm Oh, hello. Hi.
Said man, bro, I'm stepping and told me all about the place. Man said his name was Mando, that's my boy up till this day. Back outside apartments, looking like who is this? Never mind me, just a brother looking for some business. Heard a British accent, went studio busting lyrics. I think that was the first time I met Cap and Wicked. You got a new place?
Oh, you want your blue one?
Nothing's gonna make me stop. We all start at the bottom, working our way to the top. I know that you can't see me. Nothing's gonna make me stop.
I was thrown around with Zelda, little homie had my back. We were stealing local cars and then exchanging them for mats. I got introduced to Flippy and Vinny, man, I was gassed. I was paying off my loans, I was making loads of cash. Batar, Moses and Dean, man, them days were the best. Wicked got me signed to Wu-Chang and then he fucking left. But I stayed to make a difference, I ain't got any regrets. Made a mill from making tracks, money printer in the
That
flesh.
was my
Mario picked me up and told me all about the meth. Had me cooking in the lab, doing weed runs and all the rest. Little hustle with guitar, started exchanging connects. Bro, we had some mini pillows, could've started selling beds. Nearly got caught in the lab, that shit was such a mess. Then we had to buy tables, and that shit had no effect. That dream got put to bed, like fuck it, what's next?
I could go on, but I need another song to say the rest.
We all start at the bottom, working our way to
Same, I just haven't opened Twitch until recently. Yeah, you're good, brother. No, I gotta update that Discord link.
We all start at the bottom, working our way to the top. I know that you can't see me. Nothing's gonna make me stop.
We don't stop. How hot is it out there? Oh, we're in winter right now, brother, so it's not actually that hot. Not hot at all, good zoo. They must be going out for the day. Oh gosh. Ooh, that's loud.
Anonymous tipped $13.37. Nice jar, cat jam.
I appreciate that, Anonymous, whoever you are. Thank you, brother. Thank you. I wouldn't mind a taco for lunch, but I'm trying to, you know, eat healthier. Ooh. Ooh, taco, so smooth. you. Just know that, you know, with my Discord, it's exactly the same too. Like, don't self-promote and, you know, use the Discord to try and sell your own stuff. Well, hey, what's up, brother David? Appreciate you, my brother. Taco, go. Yo, Brox, just wanted to let you know you a whole legend. Hey, appreciate you, brother Ja. Let's go. This is my boy Zolo.
This one's different, I can hear my phone. Who's that calling? You see me falling. I can hear my phone. It's not what I wanted. It's all that I needed. This one's different, I can hear my phone. Kinda regret how we met, how we flexed. The way your skin's so smooth and all the roads, the times we kept. The way you touch, the way you feel, the way you sex, the way you move. Them hips and curves, they make me sweat. The energy's kind of addicting. Yeah, I hate to admit it, but I wouldn't be a gangster if I didn't address it. Unlike
Somehow, somewhere.
this one's different, I can hear my phone. Who's that calling? You see me falling. I can hear my phone.
What are you making? Manoia.
It's all that I needed.
Somewhat of a guardian in our culture, my brother. Let to us.
It's only better, makes me ache and tired of you. Seducing me, haunting me, tempting me, living rent free in my fantasies. I'm obsessed to the point of anxiety. Oh, every time you're near, I can hear my phone. Who's that calling? It's me falling. I can't hear my phone. It's not what I wanted. It's all that I needed.
This one's different, I can hear my phone. This one's different, I think I'm falling, 'cause I can hear my phone.
I can't hear my phone. You make me breathless, I can't explain. It makes so it makes me go.
Thank you, Fade, for the raid of 1. Kia ora. Whoop. Yep. How did that one viral clip of you affect you and your channel? Follower wise, yeah, definitely blew the back out of my follower counts. And also, you know, opened up many opportunities for me. Many of the streamers I watched throughout my life are my friends now, which is absolutely bloody nuts to me to this day still. And definitely a blessing, brother.
will never be tested, motherfucker. I'm no perfume. Sky is the limit, not for me. I ain't no balloon. Seaside is a trident, motherfucker. This is no harpoon. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. Hey, hey, hey. All my boys are reckless when they pull up to
So you're a friend request. So I want to ask why you what's your plans? Like, are you trying to sell me something, or I just want to genuinely ask you.
I cannot miss when I shoot. Always keep on grinding. I have money on my mind. Always hit my targets even when I'm shooting blind. And I have trust issues. That is why I never signed. It's only me, myself, and I, and the rest of Seaside.
Things are only hard in life if you make them hard. Nothing's hard. Just keep trying and trying. Alright.
Yo, hit the drive, oh shit, it's looking mean. Block popping, locals, homies, everybody's rocking green. Low riders, bandanas, head of weed is on the scene. Back alley, boots open, that's the money being clean. Still driving straight over till you hit the cul-de-sac. Gas station glowing purple, then you know where you're at. Bass banging, bad bees, all the gangs on the map. Drive-bys all the time,
You fuck around and it's a rap. Take a left, see the homies in the red.
if you make a move,
Imagine yourself, yeah, I've been drinking my detox tea. Couple of rides and you might see the essays, especially do the speak if you see the L. And I say it's only Wednesday. Sorry about the check name. Drove a couple miles and you end up at the docks. Again, it's your mom. Go over till you see the boys in blue. I ain't talking about the face. It's the mirror of the food. You go rest, I'll rest. You go rest, take a slop. You go people moving in, left and right, non-stop. That's Chang Gang. Tawa. Camera. I don't want you in front of me.
Eyes everywhere, all the locals got blicks. Rooftop busted, you won't know how you got hit. Gangs in the city, you got gangs on the beach. You got Seaside, and the BBMC. In the Billabong, you know the situations get peak. Seaside hotel.
Out of breath, I was talking about him.
Might hear them sounding British. They ain't scared to shoot, so it's best you mind your business. Got some crazy members that will kidnap a witness. If I was you, I would stay away from the hit list. I see you, P-Money. Hang on, wait, who, me? That's weird, I wasn't here. Who the fuck did you see? OTT, the king of acting, no OC. SK chill, let me smoke this old OG. Cause Hu Chang came out in like 2021. Tell Benji that was like 2021. Don't take my phone, again, 2021. I mean shit, you ain't had a hit since 2021. Your ego's just enormous, bitch. You ain't got the big ring. Leaving the gang behind for clout, it's just a bit lame. Tyrone, you're known as Steve Irwin from this stage. You're the first to die when I smash out and Stingray. Why you keep mentioning me? Must be fear. Love songs about chicks, you ain't friends, kinda weird. Hating on my songs, next you be hating on my ear. Is it cause I'm bigger than you and I'm hardly here? You ain't got the sauce to be with Dash. I found Trap Power remix when I was empty in the trash. I can't lie, you should've renamed it Hold Up to Woman. Cause the fan part was great, but the rest of it was You ain't immaculate king, you back in the ring, auto-tune. Turn it back on and sing or get smacked in the chin. You know me and my fans gonna win. Cause I'm the young hood, honestly should've been slammed in the bin. You ain't seen red season 3, got yourself in a pickle, fam. Drink the rim, drink for a business, cause I'm the middleman. We're XC-side, Rustin, BSK linking up. I'm confused, ain't that me enough? Skills, man? You were in control, you missed the decoy.
Looks like Rami set you up to get you destroyed.
The Pandem's a light version of CG. The company's a light version of the Clean Boys. I gotta do what the company says, aka can't do shit without Ray. Who starts beef and says I don't wanna play? Used your accents, you company talk like, what is this? Cause we made the fucking language, you pussy. You speak English. You ain't a gang but rap gangster, so which one? You weren't saying shit when CG came for them guns. You ain't trying to bang your company, just a pack of nuns. Photo
I don't wanna hear no click up on
they had your boys kidnapped and you didn't want your things back and you didn't get no get backs. I heard you got arrested. I'm like, damn, how you get out so quick with no setbacks? Ooh, that's tricky, sounding real sketchy. If I was your friend when you call busy, this ain't a walk in the park, but the ride this ain't Disney, but the news is universal when company lose Mickey. Cream Pie's the worst song. I know you meant well. You took it too far when somebody told you that sex sells. Just first to West K, and now you're gonna lose a second. Oh shit, trigger the beat to use the E of Denzel. I won multiple awards for being cold. Lifetime achievement. You just won awards for being old. If you're so good, how come you couldn't win it on your own? Greatest rapper, but you had to share with Hubcap Jones. Straight ignore SK like you done it how this shit goes in 2024. Wake up, you ain't big, bro. You said Blue Chang was full up with whack artists, but I've seen you ain't got more listeners than the bimbos. Blame Blue Chang and told everyone avoid us. You spread propaganda, thought you was out to destroy us. So imagine how I laughed when I found out you was crying to hate for 30 minutes and then you fucking joined us. They helped you up, you said it's OTT by the way. I mean shit, no one gave a fuck when you was BSK. Now you ain't even a leader, why would we care what you say? You had a gun and you and Ricky still robbed you anyway. You ain't got no reputation, boy, you'll never be me. One time I got robbed by the PMC. All they took was 2K and had to pay me 20 G's. We didn't go to war, all I did was write a tweet. And they're far from pussies, it's cause I got respect. That's why till this day they can call me as a friend. I got relationships all over, there ain't no one I neglect. How many times have you rolled you over without no regrets? Listen, I think you're good, but you don't know what this is. Your diss tracks a mismatch cause your diss tracks miss. Half a diss track mentioning all the stuff that you did. Quick to take out a rib and suck your own dick. I know your history, pussy. I always thought you was a neat attention seeking half a clout. That's why you always fucking tweet.
Mrs. Brooks in the
sack and only gave you one street. How you call yourself a king when you can only rule a street? Yeah, I bet you thought back then I weren't around. Forgetting I rode with Mando when I first came around. Backstabbing, wanna be meth having. We see the cycle when you in mad patterns, you narcissistic clown. I got more to say, bro. This could take a while. All you're gonna do is shout, and all I'm gonna do is smile. You ain't competing with me, boy. You're competing with Carl. So quit saying my name. You ain't Destiny's Child.
No delivery? Why are you delivering me lunch? Say what? When I'm always wrong. Thinking how I hear the stream. Hey, what's up, Benji? How are you managing the big without hitting your head? Just don't hit your head. That's so simple, man. I've never really hit my hand, to be honest. No delivery love, or no one's turned up. I'll be waiting for you. Okay, I don't know how to say this, but who said I wanted some graphics? I'm not really interested in any right now, but I just feel like you assume I want it, that's all. That's why I'm not really sure what to say, but Is it wrong of me to think that? Oh, I don't know.
When I'm feeling alone, when I'm always wrong, when I'm bleeding and numb.
No, Jiggy, you don't need to do that. It's all good. I'm just I just don't understand what makes you think I'd want graphics right now. That's all. Like, what did someone say I needed some? Yeah, that's why I haven't really been knowing what to say to it. That's all. It's like, oh, this guy. Yeah, boy. Yeah, I just see. I don't know. I just, I never asked for any graphics, nor am I looking for any. I guess that's what he says I was a little confused about. I lost a bench and I don't want to see. Whoop! That's not good. Sorry, but I took your key. So we're 7 now, I just lost a little bit of timber there. The green, that straight cut. Double B, 1, 2, 3, ABC. at the door. Wait, I didn't see no one. Oh, thank you, babe. Check. My wife delivered me lunch. And it was a joke, but thank you. Well, I was waiting for like a package. Oh, you're getting it tonight. No. She's probably like, oh, disgusting. Oh, thanks, babe. I thought you ordered like a package. Thank you. Didn't have to. But I'll eat it. Also, kids' clothes are almost dry too. Thank you very much, my love. Oh, sorry, Bigfoot much? Hi. Miso. No, miso. Don't fall. Yeah. As we go along too, the body will get more and more shape. At the moment it's just gonna be like somewhat of a rough shape for now. Just while we progress. Just for now, all I'm focusing on is just getting a genuine shape on the body, and from there then we can carry on pretty much. And from here, like from all of that too, then we'll start, doing the inside of the body. The inside of the body can tend to be, need a bit more time, but tomato. Ooh, it's my jam. Boy, boy. ruru ki te moera he. Whakarongo ki te tangi a te ruru e. O horere ana te ruru ki taku poi e. Ere ana taku poerere ana. Ki runga te hau ki ngā kapua e. Hora hia, taku poe hora hia. He kuputu mana kono te ao, huri huri. Apohia, te maramai te hangi e. Te ruru ki te moera e. Ki raro nei, e moe te a katoa. Nō reira ki a te reto, haerenga e. Hoki maira, ki roto te atarau. Ka ki te haerenga i te tonu te ruru e. Tere-re-che-ching. Ia. Te moera he. So, are you doing gaming streams today? Or it depends. Just gotta, you know, have notifications on for my other channel. It's cool to watch someone do this? Hey, thank you. Hoki maira, i roto te atarau. Ka ki te haerenga i te tonu te ruru e. Ka pohia, e marama i te rangi e. E pirangi ana. Ki te moera he. E pirangi ana, e ruru ki te moera he. Ka pohia. So the name of the song is Ka pohia, Kapohia by Wiremu Williams. Play it one more time. This used to be my favorite song when I used to do cultural shows. Here atu taku poe. Ka pohia, te maramai te rangi e. Time to swing. E ruru ki taku poi e. Sumana kono te ao. Ooh, got most of it. Hey, Australia's fishing. Thank you very much for the raid, sir. Hope you are well. Hope you caught some good fish today, or tonight actually. Oh, in Perth, eh? It'll be dark time in Perth. Kia ora, kia ora. Ka ki te haerenga. Hello, hello, hello everyone. Just winding down for the day. But hope all is well on your side of the world, brother. Nice hoodie. I've had this coat since 1995. Or this one. The blue one. Kia ora everybody. We just finished up for the day. Made a lot of mess. I'm doing that piece down there. Oh, I'll go and grab it, eh? Is it hot? No, we're in winter. So we're doing this for a birthday. So it's a dual birthday. It's a double-headed manaya, which is like a kind of like a bird or a guardian in our culture. And that's all we've been up to for like the last three streams, I believe, maybe even more. I hope you're well, sir. Hope you're well, brother. If you're heading out, my bro, you have a wonderful day or night as well. Yeah, so we're in winter in the southern hemisphere right now. It is, it's cold, but it's, you know, I like the cold, so it doesn't really matter. Man's all about the cold, whānau. I've always been a cold weather enjoyer, I should say. But yeah, that's what we've been working on lately. I'm doing commissions for well, I took over some commissions that belong to my uncle.
Yeah. I remember how I started out. I'm talking way back, man. I was sleeping on a sofa inside a studio flat. I had nothing to my name.
Well, it's been a pretty good day, productive day, which is good. So we finished the heads on the carving, which is good. It's always a good feeling. More so what we need to do now is just mold the bodies. That's the last thing I have to do. And then do a general clean of the whole carving before I draw the design.
I had a gun put to my face. Pepper wearing motherfucker. Had a voice with loads of bass. Said man, bro, I'm stepping it, told me all about the place.
All the way
man said his name was Mando. That's my boy up to this day.
Australia's flag?
No, you're good,
brother.
looking like who is this? Never
Don't
mind,
waste your
just a
time looking
brother
for that
looking
flag.
for some
Nah.
business. Trying to praise Jackson when studio busting lyrics. I
Nah,
think
much
that
love.
was the first
It's all
time
good,
I
man.
met Cap and Wicked.
Yeah, I've done greenstone before, done prawa, which is whalebone, and many other mediums within our culture as well, which is pretty good. Oh, and you were trying, did you?
We were stealing local local cars and then exchanging them for mats. I got introduced to Flippy and Vinny, man, I was gassed. I was paying
But
off my loans.
for
I
me
was making
personally,
loads
my
of
heart's
cash.
always
Qatar,
been in
Moses
Whakairo.
and
Like
Dean,
it
man, them
always will
days
be.
were the best. Wiki
Like
got me
until the
signed
day
to
I
Wu-Chang,
can't,
then he
you know,
fucking left. But I
hold
stayed
my
to make a
tools
difference.
anymore.
I ain't got any regrets. Made the mill from making tracks. Money printer in the flesh. Mario picks me up and
He told me all about the meth.
had me cooking in a lab doing weed runs and all the rest. Built a hustle with guitar, started exchanging connects. Bro, we had some mini pillows, could have started selling beds. Nearly got
Yeah, I
caught
think
in the
these are
lab.
like
That shit
big.
was such a mess. Then we had to buy tables and that shit
I
had
think
no
Mr.
effect.
K
That
did
dream
order
got put to
66
bed.
on the
Like,
server
fuck it,
today.
what's next? I could go
So
on,
it's
but I
everyone
needed
against the
another song
government.
to say the rest.
That'll be prime time for my character too, because he's his backstory involved the government of his land, I should say. So I based it around current events that's happening in New Zealand or Australia. We don't stop. Yes, I'm not really sure what's going on today. I'll be honest, I've just been chilling. Most of the RP stuff that happens for my character these days is on my other channel. I haven't gamed on this channel for like a couple months now. It's been good, really good. And very beneficial too. Yeah. But if you want to follow my gaming channel, it's not Brox. Yeah. Hey, what you getting off for? It's the Schmeat Demon. Hey, love you, brother. Hope you had a wonderful day today on stream in the server. And thank you very much for the raid, man. I saw Chip rolling deep this morning. Had the blacked out body armor and everything. And the vascular bulge and the tight jeans. So it's exclamation mark SO and the name. I can't wait to start racing, bro. Honestly. Yeah, so we're just in the wind down period of the stream now. Before I go outside and have some lunch, and then I'll probably fly into the city in my free time. But I've got to sort out my kids' clothes. Wiener. I had a hot dog yesterday, and obviously I don't eat them front on. I eat them side on in public. Made me think of Chip.
She ain't acting like it, bro. She's really breaking bad, but a whore for the sugar, always looking for the dad. Speaking of mad, this guy's just a force. Vice El Jefe, busting out the Uzis from the Porsche. Always fucking down to war. Hot-headed, yeah, of course. That's Miguel screaming at you more than the cops in court. Yo, fucking with Bogo, that is a no-no. Alleyway guy, high car in a low-low. You need a real one-man called Island. Can't never lie, sometimes it's slow though. Hit that oil rig, that's standard. Borrow firm, might do it in tandem. Any old hack you pick at random. Man, don't care, man, sort out hack them. Arnie life for the party, love too much ERP. If you wanna win, then throw him coffee. That guy's really fast, G. 3 letters in race, bro, that's ace. Guy's got Hamilton pace. If you see Ash, better know your place. We keep our one safe.
Why read them both individually? Okay, that's weird. That's pretty dark, not gonna lie. Jordan Morgan Company and all those protected asset. PD Bassett. And not P Money Shadow member of the city.
Alex Ron, filthy rich. You don't want no problems, bitch. Put that money in your head. That's your next thing to hit. Have the gang be the shit. You can find them at the pit. We take sprays, we take cars, we take banks, we take risks. I see why you wanna join. You been gang like a Mika, so you cannot feel the voice. Frank is family forever. You ain't
Oh, we dancing, are we?
gang is trash, that's why we're welcoming Racine into the
Gotta assert dominance, you know.
Alex Ron, filthy rich. You don't want no problems, bitch. Put that money in
Okay,
your head.
okay,
That's an
okay.
expensive hit. Hydra gang be the shit. You can find them at
Have we
the
got
pit.
some?
We
Let me
take
just go get
sprays,
my
we
phone.
take cars, we take banks, we take risks. I see why you wanna join. You ain't gang like a Mika, so you cannot fill the void. Frank is family forever. You ain't cracked enough of this. Your gang is trash, that's why we're welcoming Raccoon into this clique.
Snake eyes, see through your lies. I just a team, bitch, you know the vibes. They don't wanna war, cause they know it's on side.
Aim from the left, always beat on the right.
Oh my, oh what a lie. S plus boost, there ones in the skies. We don't give a fuck, turn it up when we drive. We don't give a fuck, turn it up when we drive. Snake eyes, see through your lies.
Bro, there's someone in the server too. Orpheus Melodious, thank you very much for the raid, brother. Kia ora, my bro. As I was saying before, there's someone in the No Pixel server that has a pet. So like it's a custom made character and he's like built like freaking Phil. I was like, bro, who the hell is that? If I could get a pet, I'd probably try and make. I'd want it to be like, you know, big Polynesian big, you know. That's kind of how I see my character. Big hair, big long hair. What? Ooh, whoa. Ramos, Pepe Hands Ramos. Oh, I missed a call from someone. Oh, it was my wife. Oh, she sent me a kai because I was cold. Hey. Damn, Kai Sinat's got Mr. Beast on the stream. God damn. Hold on, chat. Oh, Cap's awake. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think that is going to be us for today. This stream brought 3 alcoholics from United States of America here. Oh, really? Are you gonna drink them under the table? You better. Cause don't they start drinking until they're like 21? But I mean, let's be honest. Yeah, it's funny, yes. 21, far out. The big money Corvette. Alright, you guys, that is going to be me for today. Have a beautiful day. I am going to head out. I am going to head out and do some parental stuff before my kids head off to on their holidays. It's my baby's last day of school, so gonna take her out to get her a treat. Who should we raid? Jiggy, you got any suggestions? Any Kanakas streaming right now? Jiggy left. Oh, does she? Oh. Look at this. Oh well, yeah, that'll be us for today. Might just raid Zolo. Alright, I'll just raid Zolo.
school bits don't take my phone. Walk in your house
Oh, actually,
empty. Tyrone
Flash
screams out,
raid.
where did it go? That one there could have done with a remix. Cool, that bitch don't take my home. Chip on your shoulder, mad at the world. Can't blame you, Benji. Took your
Alright.
girl when you still dick riding. Give
I'll
us a
see you
12.
later.
Know damn well that you're gonna look
Have
back
a
one
good
this
day.
way,
Have a
how
good
the company
day.
fell.
Hey.
Go start up BSK again and get
Have a
back
good
to the
day.
regular
I'll see you
soul. Modern grumpy, no
all
one loves
tomorrow.
you, just be known as the guy that yells.
Oh wait, what's tomorrow? Friday. Yeah, I'll get back to you
Brother,
because I think
your movements
I
have
think
been secret. We know all about
I'll
all
be
the
hitting
cops
up
you held.
tomorrow.
Full of frustration 'cause in the company OTT can't be himself. Is he
But
a
yeah, have a good
gangster? Is
one.
it a
I'll
gang?
see you
When he
later.
starts hurting, I'm losing cells.
And
Guess we know
yeah,
how
until
JP
next time.
fell. Say I'm battling a top 5 artist. Think I'm battling a top 5 mil. Good try, my brother, it's over. You should put that chain on the
See
show.
you, YouTube.
Oh, wait. They never got a chain. I